Picture this. The stadium vibrates with anticipation, the crowd's roar echoing through the night. On the pitch, Phil Salt, the cricket warrior, stands tall, his eyes focused. The next moment, however, paints a picture of stark contrast. Salt's bat swings in vain as Sam Curran's Yorker uproots his off-stump. The warrior crumbles, his face a mask of disbelief and frustration. In a moment of sheer exasperation, Salt slams his head with his gloves. A silent scream of anguish fills the air. This tale unfolded on the vibrant greens of the Urunjitli Stadium during an IPL 2024 match between Kolkata Knight Riders and Punjab Kings. Salt, who had been having a spectacular run with a quick 50, found himself halted by Curran's deadly delivery. This dismissal was not just a personal blow to Salt, but a pivotal moment in the game that swung the momentum in favor of the Punjab Kings. Salt's dismissal was a turning point, a testament to the unpredictable heart of cricket. One moment, you're soaring high on the wings of success, and the next, you're plummeting to the ground, your hopes shattered. This incident underscored the bitter truth of the sport. No matter how high you fly, a single blow can bring you crashing down. However, it's not just about the fall, it's about the impact. Salt's dismissal signified a ripple effect, a shift in the game's dynamics. It demonstrated how a single player's performance can influence the entire team's morale and the course of the match. This incident served as a stark reminder of the high stakes involved in the game of cricket. In conclusion, Phil Salt's dismissal was a moment of high drama and intense emotion. It was a reminder of the unpredictable nature of cricket and the high stakes involved. Yet, it also served as a testament to the resilience of the players who, despite such setbacks, continue to strive for victory. Because, in the end, it's not just about winning or losing, it's about the love of the game.